Have you ever been in the pharmaceutical manufacturing environment and heard someone use the term whiffy before? Well, it is not an odd way to refer to your spouse. And it isn't the thing you try to connect your laptop to at the coffee shop. It sounds like whiffy, but what it actually is water for injection. So, what is water for injection? Simply put, it's water intended for use in the manufacturing of parenteral or injectable drugs whose solvent is water. In the farm environment, Wi-Fi is not required for everything, but in many cases, it may still be used extensively to avoid risk and ensure all requirements are met. It may be used for cleaning, steam production, and more. The USP, or United States Pharmacopoeia, is what defines Wi-Fi in the United States. In other regions like Europe and Japan, they have their own definitions, which are now harmonized with the US. The USP defines Wi-Fi with four main measurable characteristics: TOC, or total organic carbon; conductivity, which is the indirect measurement of ions in the water; bacteria; and endotoxin, which is a part of the outer membrane of the cell wall of gram-negative bacteria. For TOC, it needs to be maintained at less than 500 parts per billion. TOC is thought to be a food for bacteria in water. Conductivity must be maintained at less than 1.3 microsiemens at 25 degrees Celsius. Bacteria needs to be maintained at less than 10 CFU, or colony forming units, per 100 milliliters. And the endotoxins need to be maintained at less than 0.25 EU per milliliter. There are additional requirements, such as the process to make Wi-Fi must start with EPA drinking water, and there can be no added substances. But this is just the start, and this is hardly all you need to know about Wi-Fi. We will answer more questions for you in other videos, like how is Wi-Fi different from other types of water? How is it produced? What are some things to consider in Wi-Fi production in your plant? How best to distribute Wi-Fi? And what are the best sanitization methods? We want to hear what your questions are. What do you want to know about purified water in the pharmaceutical industry? Aquachem is a global leader in pharmaceutical water production and distribution. We're here to answer your questions and help make your next water project a success.